Hey, subscribe for your chance to get a free car. Okay, welcome back to another episode of Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. We're gonna give you guys our best shot of point of view from the head and from just over the shoulder here. We're at the back of the rear main seal, and as you can see, we are leaking. We got oil plaster here. We got the loose bolt that's there, and the remaining bolts got oil around them. Oil should not be present in this area. We do have some leaking in from up around the top of the valve cover gasket and the back of the lower intake. However, oil present here and here is totally unacceptable, and it points to this unit here, which is the rear main seal, then this plate right here, then one of the bolts being loose. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is hit these 12mm bolts, which is gonna come new on the new plate, and the rear main seal is already installed in the new plate. So you do have two bolts that's coming in from the bottom, going into the top through the oil pan to the timing, excuse me, not the timing cover, but the rear engine cover. And then you have bolts going basically lateral and two bolts going in, coming in vertical. And you're gonna get that off, hopefully. But I do look like I used a little too much Permatech there. All right, that's 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go ahead and remove them. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell. I'm making content on a daily. I edit these videos myself, so if you want to join the team, let me know. If you want to learn, help us grow. We can grow together. All right. Let me stop talking. But I was shared a couple shorts and reels about this particular job, and let me just throw these over there. We got some extra ones. Well, it's not extra ones. Some ones provided with the new back cover. However, somebody said this is a Friday's job, Friday afternoon job. I mean, if you're not doing it yourself, yeah, you could definitely do it in the afternoon. But doing it yourself, and you know, see if this one ain't nah. I figured that out at that time, that she was just loose. Doesn't seem to be cross-threaded or anything. But they said it was a Friday afternoon job. This is not a Friday afternoon job. And you can see it probably was tried or attempted to be done on a Friday afternoon. That's why the bolts were loose. The bolts on the front of the crankshaft pulley was loose too, because we had to rotate that bolt to gain access to the torque converting flywheel bolts. And that fastener was loose, completely loose. We actually had to tighten it up to rotate the engine. So don't ever think automotive mechanics is something that is quick. It's marketed as quick, but the reality in the industry is these jobs or services are not to be done quick. It's just not designed that way. People riding cars. Not those crash dummies that people used to see on the commercials in the 90s. Alright, we got all the bolts removed now. And what we're gonna do now, they got Permatech around this whole gasket. But I don't know if it's supposed to be used with Permatech. I'm gonna refer to the guide in just a second. These are we've already drained the engine oil. That bolt was loose. Did y'all see that? All right, look. They're completely loose. Like loose. Got his oil coming out of the boat right there. You see that? Definitely isn't silk. Look at all that. Alright. Now we're gonna need these boats. Alright. Just set these down here. Set that there, let that be oil removed. Alright. And let's see. Gonna take this cover off here. Alright, they got some access here. I believe that's all the bolts. This has been replaced before. That's a Dorman right there. That's Dorman, see? We shouldn't be doing this. Somebody recently put this motor in and did it in a Friday afternoon, and this is where we are now. So, let's see. Let's crack this thing open right here. There you go. And this seal here got to set a certain way or it won't seal. It's designed to seal the crank as it rotates. And it's not put up there correctly. It will not do it. It will not do it unless pry this out some more. And this looks like it needs a little bit more motivation. I can pocket out some. A little bit. Got a lot of Permatech right here. See if I can get just on the other side of this boat here and remove it some. Let's see if I can get this. There it goes. And gently remove it. I don't know what's going on. This oil pan is effed up. Oh, this is totally not good. This oil pan's not to come down. I don't see it really sealing up any other way. Because if with this much movement right here, it's gonna be best to just do it now. That's how it goes, guys. This was done on a Friday afternoon. I'm pretty sure it was a Friday. It is time step. We filleted this on a Friday.